So one thing I want to share with you is the cart that the P3 can sit on. xTool came up with a cart, and this cart is amazing. It goes together so easy. It's just some simple parts, some simple bolts, screws together. It has a way to add a sheet of plywood to the bottom so you can have an extra shelf should you choose to do so. Over here on the right hand side, it comes with a little small pegboard. You can buy some pegs to fit it. And yeah, this is such a cool cart. Has the xTool logo on two beams. You can just choose to put them in the front or one in the front and one in the back. I chose for both in the front. Really, really easy to put together. The legs are all reversible, so you can't put the wrong leg in the wrong spot. The only thing you can mess up are the legs. Make sure all the legs are pointed up in the right direction. The hole on the sides will be going towards the top, and on the bottom base plate down there, there's holes to accept the casters. Yeah, this is just an amazing cart.